Hi everyone, I'm back and show you another box. And yeah, this also is a thank you gift for special friends. And yeah, I'm taking so long for make this box and I am so sorry. And yeah, because always busy to making my kids. And yeah, you can see this is the cover for the box that I use all these trim and laces, and this one is one of the kits that I have the tutorial to show you how I alter this applique. So this one like so, and use this like a bridal lace to cover and layer with the cheesecloth, and underneath also is a lace fabric, and you can see I stuffed the fiber underneath here, so look, make it look more dimension. So okay, let me put down the camera and show you around the box. Also layer with this beaded trim, and underneath is a cover. And this one I think I will check. Yeah, you can see from the photo before and after I alter. And all these boxes is my collection from, yeah, I mentioned before I love to collect all the boxes. All this is the recycling box, and it's a very good quality box that for our Chinese year celebrate the festival of the autumn. We use all this box to store the moon cake. Yeah, we call it moon cake, and it was very good quality. And underneath also I cover with the paper cardstock and layer with the lace. And this, what I did is I used this to for the tie this, okay. And when you open the box also, and you can see this is the image I print on Pinterest. See, and underneath is like so, and I didn't cover it because this color is okay. I think because I worry when I cover this part and this and couldn't close back, so yeah, I just leave it like so. And this is the top, okay. So yeah, you can see also it's the goodies box that I have put all so many stuff in. My handmade printed rose flower, another one tattooed, yeah, and I wrote all these with the stick pin and with the spool, with all the like a my favorite trim. I also use the test tube to store all these ribbon flower. Another one, and the spool, and I top here I put this up here. Okay, let me just show you. See the box how it's like so. Later I will put that in, and also use the spool, cover with paper, and put this here. Another trim applique, and this one, and the big spool, and many. Oh, this is my favorite trim, so just share with my friend. Okay, so different. Another spool, and I really wish that I have the time to do a swap, that who have collected all this kind of the embroidery. Yeah, this kind of the trim, I just love to collect all this kind of trim. Yeah, I wish I have the time to do a swap with, yeah, who interested to do a swap with me, like make a goodies box just like what I do like right now, and the another, and this one, the small one also. Yeah, just like so. I just love it, and you can see inside is like so. So yeah, you can see I layer with the paper, and underneath also the cardstock and also the lace cover, and use the rosette trim here. So what I did when it's just put back all and show. Okay, yeah, this kind of the trim, yeah, I love to collect. Yeah, see I can manage the time. See, yes, just see who interested to do a swap. If you don't mind the postage is expensive to send to Malaysia, so we can do a swap with all this kind of the trim. And let me to show you. And this kind of the trim, I just love all this, but this only have this one Amanda sent to me. I just have this little. And last time who has that, not how to call the name, yeah, but the postage is, oh, I can not afford the postage, is too much, so that I didn't buy it. I just love hope, yeah, who interested to do a swap, so we can consider to do a like a embroidery. So yeah, this I get inspired from Pinterest for this kind of the goodie box. Look at this, look yummy, but I didn't paint this, but it doesn't matter. I think when you open it, yeah, I haven't finished yet. Also, it's 2 layer. As you can see, so good quality, right? So yeah, I wouldn't throw all these, and all my friends will keep all this stuff for me, and I will recycle. It's just turned out so pretty. And I also, yeah, get all these embroidery lace into this. I should do add the leaves here. So I will not open. And this one, layer all these kind of the matching this theme, and doily, and another doily, and some of my flower. And I also include a small kit for my friend to play, and it's a spool, wooden spool, and a cardstock spool, so you can see what you can do with this. And another cardstock spool with some printed image here, and also create a letter, love letter tag I mean stack like so. Haven't, yeah, so you can use all this to your project. Okay, beautiful. And the inside also the same. I work with the lace fabric and the paper. So yeah, and I just hope my friend I will not mention who she will receive. But yeah, when I put, she already received this. And I will pop her link below the description box. You will know who is she. So yeah, this is the yummy. And yeah, actually, yeah, I sent this to my dear sis Shopa. And because yeah, every year Shopa send me a birthday gift, and I taking so long. I am so sorry, sis. Cause yeah, you can see I always busy of my shop and my group kit. So I have to manage my time to create something for you. But yeah, not much, but I really hope you like this. And I really hope all ladies who stopping by to my channel and watch my video and love my projects. And I do have 2 more outer box to show you with you all. Please keep just stay tuned. Yeah, when I start work and I have to finish all, cause I always say always had to manage my time to do my own project. When I have the time, I have to finish and I have to do all. So yeah, one at a time. I already make 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 boxes. So yeah, and let me do just and open the box so you can see. Okay, my table so a bit messy. So yeah, this is my project, and I really hope you all like this. And yeah, please let me know what you all think, and just take your time and leave me a comment. And if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Thanks again for everyone, and bye bye. Oh, cannot, sorry. Okay.